Write the number of diagonals of an n-sided polygon. An n-sided polygon has n number of sides and n vertices. So any line joining or let me write a line joining any two of the vertices is either it can be a side of a polygon or a diagonal of a polygon. Either a side or the diagonal of the polygon. So therefore we can say number of lines joining any two vertices can be taken as number of sides plus number of diagonals of the polygon. So number of lines joining any two vertices among the n vertices is like a selection of two things among n things, that is nc2, which is equal to number of sides is n and number of diagonals. So we need to find. So which implies that number of diagonals is equal to nc2 minus n. So we can write here nc2 is n factorial upon n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial, since NCR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So minus n, so which is equal to n factorial, we can also write it as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial upon n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial is 2 minus n. So we can cancel this n minus 2 factorial and hence we can write this as n into n minus 1 and simplifying minus 2n upon 2, or we can write n into n minus 1 or n into n minus 1 minus 2. We can take out n common upon 2, which is equal to n into n minus 3 upon 2. So therefore we can conclude that number of diagonals of an n-sided polygon is n into n minus 3 upon 2. Okay. Please like, share, subscribe and support us. Thank you.